Bayan LA ready to cook. Suot ko na po ang LA18 apron and I'd like to introduce you to our cook or chef today for this afternoon, si Tita Boots. Siya ang Olympia. She was awarded as one of the outstanding caregiver.
Outstanding caregiver because of her activities in PWC. So it's wonderful.
Congratulations, Tita Boots. And we're gonna teach them today how to make a healthy adobo. Ngayon, ang adobo, very staple yan, no, sa Filipino cuisine. Pero, what is bad about the normal way that we cook adobo?
Normally, the Filipinos are fond of eating or buying the pork with yung maraming taba-ba.
Okay.
So, it's not healthy para sa atin. Affected ang puso.
We use a lot of sodium, more than is recommended by American Heart.
Ano yung toyo?
Toyo, asin.
Sobrang daming toyo, sobrang daming asin.
Exactly, or bagoong.
And then also yung oil na ginagamit, no? Ano ba ang pinaka-healthy na cooking oil?
Oils that are plant-based, that means with nuts, with seeds, safflower oil, olive oil. These are the good oils. You want to use them.
And for this particular healthy adobo dish, meron ba kayong idadagdag na hindi natin nakikita sa normal na pagluluto ng adobo? I see an eggplant.
I know. That is not part of the traditional one. Yeah.
Right. And that is healthy too, Tita Boots?
Yes, because it's very high in fiber.
Ang talong.
Yes.
Okay, sige. So ano mga kailangan at paano natin lulutuin? Simulan na natin ang pagluluto?
Sure. Go for it,
Ang
Tita
mga
Boots.
sangkap sa paggawa ng healthy adobo,
Do you want me to assist you, my dear? Okay. I'll be your Vanna White. Okay, go for it.
Kaunting pamintang durog.
Okay. Nalagay na? Hindi, oil muna eh. Oil unahin. Okay.
Do you know which one who cooks? Thank you, Tita Boots.
Okay.
The olive oil.
All right.
Lahat yan.
Yeah.
Okay. Ang problema, sabi nila sa olive oil daw, masyadong mahal. So may mga alternative ba tayo?
Well, the other alternative is that you don't use it as much. So it's wonderful to buy it olive oil and just use na maliit. So it will actually help you.
Okay. We actually have a list of the ingredients. If we can put it up and jot it down, guys, ito po ang mga kailangan. So ano pong mga kailangan, Tita Boots?
Kailangan 1/2 pound the pork. Tinanggal ang taba.
Okay.
And then, can we put it there, please?
We'll put the oil na. Okay. I-discuss po muna natin yung mga, mga ingredients. So, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of vinegar.
Ang suka, pwedeng idagdagan ng 1 o 2 kutsara ayon sa kanilang panlasa.
Okay.
Tapos may tip doon na kailangan, wag mo nang hahaluin kapag ka nailagay ang suka para hindi masyadong umasim.
Okay. Alright. That's a tip right there. Mainit na ba yung ating
Hindi pa masyado.
Hindi pa masyado? Okay. Sige. Ayan. I think pwede na siya. So, anong ilalagay na natin next?
Ilagay natin yung baboy.
Baboy. Wala mo ng bawang?
Hindi.
Okay.
Hindi siya.
Baboy.
Tita Boots is she's very particular chef. So we follow her.
Okay.
There you go,
Ayan.
Kailangan igisa. Hintayin siyang pumula.
Okay.
Pagkatapos, ihulog ang
What do you want, my dear?
Suka.
Alrighty. Everything, Tita Boots?
Okay.
Isunod ang toyo.
Toyo. And remember, wag masyado maraming toyo para low in sodium.
2 kutsara lang.
Okay, 2 kutsara.
Really quick, because we have to, recommendation for AHA is this much. It's about one teaspoon and 1/4 for the whole day, you guys. For the whole day.
So it's serving ng
asin, ng toyo. So this, if you plan
for
to
the
eat...
whole day na yan ganyan.
For the whole day, Janelle.
Oh my God.
I know.
Okay.
So if you plan to eat the whole thing, don't eat any more salt for the whole day. That's it.
All right. Okay.
So go for it.
Then,
Ilagay yung bawang.
ilagay bawang. Okay.
Garlic. Okay.
Ayan.
At saka yung asukal.
Ba't may asukal na pula?
Kasi yun ang nagpapa-enhance ng flavor ng adobo natin. Isa rin yan sa mga sekreto.
Ayan, nako, 2 sekreto na pong natutunan nyo. Asukal na pula, at saka ano pa ba isang sekreto sabi mo kanina? Sige, you can put the asukal na pula.
Yung pagka naglagay ka ng suka,
Huwag mo hahaluin agad.
until na kumulo na siya.
Okay.
Kasi kung mag-stir ka niyan, maasim siya.
Okay, alright. Okay, and then
yung bawang, yung paminta.
Paminta.
Okay.
Okay, my dear.
Yeah. Yan, kumukulo na siya, kaya pwede na siyang haluin.
Okay.
Tapos, hintayin na lang natin bahagyang pamula. Habang kumukulo, kailangan siyang pakuluin ng mga 20 to 25 minutes.
Okay.
And then, habang kumukulo, pwede na natin ipatong yung talong sa ibabaw.
So ngayon, habang hindi pa siya kumukulo, ganyan lang muna.
Ganyan
you
lang
leave it
siya
for
muna.
20 to 25 minutes.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Something in between, pag nakita mo medyo luto na yung karne, pwede mo na siyang patungan ng talong.
Okay. Habang hinihintay po natin maluto yung karne, pag-usapan naman natin ito, Olympia. We briefly talked about this earlier, Mula sa Puso.
Yeah.
And this is a cookbook. Can you tell us more about
Sure,
this?
it's specifically designed for Filipinos. So American Heart gave money and gave research time to make this, and so this is very important. You can have it for free. Just call us. I know the phone number will be there in the screen. Call us and we'll give that to you for free.
Ayan, at meron pong dito mga iba't ibang putahe, ground chicken with basil, tinolang manok, mga very healthy way of preparing your regular Filipino dishes. I think kumukulo na siya. Ganun na ba yun? 20 to 25 minutes? Okay, so pag ganyan na, pwede na natin...
Pwede na natin ipatong yung talong.
Ipapatong lang, hindi haluin.
Hindi.
Okay.
Alright. Ayan. We'll pause for a few reminders. When we return, we are going to get ready to taste the healthy adobo. Don't go away.